I will explain it now. Listen it. Patrick never did homework. Patrick disliked homework. For him, it was very boring, too boring it was. He played hockey, basketball, and Nintendo instead. So he liked all these games hockey, basketball, and Nintendo. Okay. And his teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. His teachers told him all the time that unless he does a homework, he won't learn a thing. And it's a true because sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, means like an illiterate person. Okay, but what he could do, he hated homework. He hated homework, so there was no any other way for him. He had developed interest in playing hockey, basketball, and Nintendo. All right. Here is one word, ignoramus. Ignoramus means an ignorant person who lacks education. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll. Cat, he found one cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. It was not a doll, but it wasn't a doll at all. It was a man of tiniest size. And that tiniest sized man, he had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches over it and a high tall hat. You can see that man, tiniest man in the picture. High tall hat is there, much like witch. Witch means a woman who has magical power. He yelled. Yelled means shouted. Save me. That small man, he yelled means shouted, save me. That means small man is asking this Patrick to save him from that cat. Save me. Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. Children, this little man asks our Patrick to save him from cat, and in return this small man will grant all the wishes of the Patrick. You understood? Okay. And he promised also. He promised to do the same. Then Patrick could not believe how lucky he was, and he found the answer to all his problems. He was very very happy to get such a tiniest size man who will do all his work. Okay, and so Patrick said to that tiniest man, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. That means if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, then I will help you. Otherwise, no. He said like this. If you do a good enough job, Patrick says, if little man does a good job, then he could even get A's. He could even get a grade A. He said like this. Then this little man, his face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. This little man was not happy. Okay, so dishcloth here, one word is there. It means a cloth used for washing dishes. His face wrinkled like that. He was not happy. Hamper means a basket with lid. And he kicked his legs and doubled his fist, and he grimaced, scowled, and pursed his lips. Grimaced means Grimaced means expression showing disgust. Scowled means anger, and pursed his lips means showing disapproval. And he said to himself that, "Oh, am I cursed?" That means, am I cursed or what? Where I have reached, but I will do it. He said, little man said, he will do it. Okay, children, here are the meanings of the difficult words. You can write them in your book. First word that we got, witch. Witch means a woman who has magical power. Okay, second one is yell. Yell means to shout loudly in anger, in pain, or in excitement also. Okay, third one is elf. Elf means a small creature with pointed ears who has magical powers. This word yet to come, but I will suggest you to write it. Write it, nothing will happen. I am going to finish the next part of the lesson in the next session. Okay, then next word is squeak. Squeak means a short noise that is not very loud. Puffed. Puffed means swelling around eyes. Blurry means red and tired. Chores means a job that is not interesting but that you must do. We say no sometimes household chores are very tiresome, like that. So all these words are there which are whose meanings you will not find in the textbook. Okay, you just write down these all the difficult words along with the difficult words which are given in the textbook. Okay children, will you write it? You can write these all difficult words as your homework. As your homework of today, you can write all these difficult words and meanings in your fair book. Okay? हाँ